Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're exploring the top 6 best robot vacuums for carpet in 2025. We've tested each model to find the most powerful, efficient, and smart options that can tackle everything from high-pile plush to dense low-pile carpets. From strong suction and advanced navigation to tangle-free brushes and long battery life, we'll help you discover which robot vacuum is the perfect match for your home. Stay tuned. On number 1 is the Ecovacs Deebit X9 Pro Omni is a premium robot vacuum and mop with very powerful 16,600 Pascal suction, making it excellent at picking up dust, debris, and pet hair on both hard floors and carpets. It features a self-washing OZMO roller mop that stays clean during use and a triple lift system that automatically adjusts for different floor types. Its Zero Tangle 3.0 design helps prevent hair wrap on the brush, reducing the need for manual maintenance. The AI navigation with LiDAR and smart obstacle avoidance enables efficient, systematic cleaning and accurate room mapping. The hands-free Omni Station auto-empties dust, refills water, washes and dries the mop pads, cutting down user chores significantly. In real-world use it delivers strong deep clean performance and handles complex layouts well, though initial setup and app learning curves can be noticeable. Pros: extremely high suction power, automated mop washing/drying, anti-tangle system, adaptive floor handling and minimal hands-on maintenance. Cons: large station footprint, high price, occasional mapping quirks, and the auto station can be noisy during cycles. The mop system is great for maintenance cleaning but isn't a substitute for manual deep scrubbing on very stubborn stains. Overall, it's a high-end choice for busy homes and pet owners who want powerful, largely autonomous cleaning, but less ideal if you prefer a simple, budget-friendly robot. On number 2 is the iRobot Roomba Max 705 with auto-empty dock delivers strong powerlifting suction and effective cleaning on both hard floors and carpets, making it great for everyday dust and pet hair. Its anti-tangle dual rubber brushes reduce hair wrap and cut down on manual maintenance. The auto-empty dock holds dirt for up to 75 days, meaning far fewer trips to empty the bin. LiDAR navigation combined with AI obstacle avoidance maps rooms efficiently and helps the robot avoid cords and common obstacles. In real-world use it consistently cleans edges and high-traffic areas with reliable performance and smart routing. Setup and the app are user-friendly, with scheduling and voice assistant support adding convenience. Pros: strong suction, anti-tangle brushes, long hands-off emptying, smart LiDAR navigation, and solid obstacle avoidance. Cons: vacuum only, no mopping, the dock is bulky and takes up floor space, occasional navigation hiccups with reflective surfaces, and auto-empty cycles are noisy. The app's connectivity can be a bit finicky at times. Overall, it's a great pick for pet owners and busy homes wanting powerful, low-maintenance vacuuming, but not ideal if you also want mopping or ultra-quiet dock operation. On number 3 is the iLife V3X Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a budget-friendly 2-in-1 cleaner that combines vacuuming and mopping with up to 3,000 Pascal suction, making it effective at picking up daily debris and pet hair on hard floors and low-pile carpets. It uses a systematic path route, not advanced mapping, to cover floors methodically and offers multiple cleaning modes like auto, edge, and spot. With up to 120 minutes runtime and automatic return to the charging dock, it's suitable for small to medium homes. The iLife Home app with Alexa/Google support lets you schedule cleanings and control suction and mopping settings, though it only works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. In real-world use it does well on everyday dirt and light messes, but powerful performance on thick carpets is limited. Pros: 2-in-1 vacuum plus mop, solid suction for the price, app and voice control, long runtime, and easy scheduling. Cons: basic navigation without smart mapping or no-go zones, limited carpet performance, Wi-Fi restrictions, and small dustbin/water capacity requiring more frequent refills. The mopping function is decent for maintenance cleaning but not for deep stain removal. Overall, it's a good value pick for budget-conscious users and pet owners with mostly hard floors, but not ideal if you want advanced smart navigation or heavy-duty carpet cleaning. On number 4 is the Ecovacs Deebit X8 Pro Omni is a high-end robot vacuum and mop with 18,000 Pascal suction, delivering powerful pickup of dust, debris, and pet hair on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its OZMO roller instant self-washing mop stays clean during use, and the auto-refill/clean solution system keeps water and cleaning solution ready without constant refills. The hands-free Omni Station automatically empties the bin, washes the mop with hot water, and air dries it, greatly reducing manual maintenance. Advanced LiDAR and AI navigation map rooms efficiently and help avoid obstacles, making cleaning systematic and dependable. In real-world use it offers thorough coverage and edge cleaning, though its size can be tall for low furniture and mop performance varies on thicker carpets. Pros: extremely strong suction, automated self-cleaning and drying, powerful navigation, anti-tangle performance and reduced hands-on upkeep. Cons: premium price, large station footprint, occasional mapping/setup quirks, and mop doesn't lift as high on rugs as some rivals. The app provides robust control but can be complex to set up initially. Overall, it's an excellent choice for busy, pet-heavy households wanting deep, mostly autonomous cleaning, but overkill for smaller spaces or simpler needs. On number 5 is the Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a high-end robot cleaner with incredible suction that handles dust, debris, and pet hair effectively on hard floors and carpets. It features dual mops with 12mm auto lift and carpet detection, so it avoids wetting carpets while mopping and adapts to different floor types. The AI obstacle avoidance helps the robot navigate around furniture and small objects more reliably than basic models. Its auto mop washing and drying system keeps the mop pads clean between sessions and reduces manual upkeep. The Omni Station self-empties, self-refills, washes, and dries, making maintenance largely hands-off and convenient for busy households. In real-world use it delivers thorough cleaning coverage and handles multi-room layouts well, though setup and app learning can take a little time. Pros: very strong suction, adaptive dual mop system with auto lift, AI obstacle avoidance, and highly automated station functions. Cons: premium cost, large docking station footprint, occasional mapping hiccups, and slightly complex initial configuration. The mop system is great for routine cleaning but not a substitute for heavy stain removal. Overall, it's an excellent choice for pet owners and larger homes that want powerful, largely autonomous cleaning with minimal effort. On number 6 is the Roborock Q7M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop is a well-rounded cleaning robot with 10,000 pascals of strong suction that lifts dust, debris, and pet hair effectively from hard floors and carpets. It uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation to map rooms with precision and plan efficient cleaning paths, helping reduce missed spots. The dual anti-tangle system greatly cuts down hair wrap on both the main brush and side brush, meaning less maintenance for pet homes. Its self-emptying dock holds up to 7-9 weeks of debris, so you don't have to empty the bin frequently. The combo design vacuums and mops in a single run with adjustable water levels in the app, adding convenience for everyday cleaning. In real-world use it covers floors methodically and the app lets you set no-go/no mop zones and schedules with ease. Pros: strong suction, long hands-off self-emptying, precise LiDAR mapping, dual anti-tangle brushes, and useful app control. Cons: mopping is basic compared with higher-end rotating or washing systems, self-empty bag still fills faster in larger or heavy-traffic homes, occasional navigation or app glitches reported by some users, and the base dock takes up floor space. Overall, it's a good value mid to upper range robot for busy homes and pet owners wanting powerful vacuuming with minimal upkeep, though not the very top tier in mop automation.